Set crew, what's up YouTube? Otay Lakes. Pretty chilly this morning, but I think there's a tournament going on. But me, Todd, and Kyle are out. We're gonna try to get on some greenies, so let's get them. I think tomorrow I'm gonna go to the bay with Ray and try to work a couple different patterns. Obviously drop shot, crankbait, jig. Got a wacky rig, weightless, hooked up. What else do I got? And then I also got like a little 10-gram jig that I usually use in the bay, so let's get on them. Let's go. Hook set crew, what it do? Little guy. Oh, came off. Shit. Stay down. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Let's go. Looks that crew on the green bass. Little guy. Healthy though. Yes. Yes. Yeah. I knew there was one in there. Boy. Nicer one. Let go. Yes. Gorgeous bass. Right on. Looks like crew turning out to be a good day. Good day. Yeah! Stay down. Oh. Shit. Oh. They're here, dude. They're biting. Yeah. Oh. Oh Lord. They're biting. They're biting today. Hook just fell out. Another nice one. Hi, bud. huh? Let go. Thanks, bud. Oh,
on the fucking jerkbait, dude.
fatty, dude.
Sorry, dude.
No, we're good. Holy, he snagged it. That thing's a big dog. Oh shit. Come on, you can take it now. I'm gonna get out in this range. You got him? Hold on, I wanna get some GoPro shots and shit.
Sorry.
Let's go. That's a nice one.
Oh, man.